Hello guys, this is Mechanical Software Tutorials. Today we are going to see about AutoCAD Beginners Tutorial 7. Okay. Last class we have seen about arcs and its function and how we can utilize the arc by using different exams. Today we are going to see about ellipse and point type. Okay. See, ellipse is a draw tool. Its shortcut is EL to get ellipse. Okay, basically, see, ellipse we can differentiate by comparing a circle. Circle is nothing but which has single radius. So same thing, ellipse which has two radius. Here the radius is mentioned by distance. See, distance. Then here we can draw a ellipse by using two ways. One is axis end method and center distance method. Okay, then you can draw elliptical arc. So like a circle arc, like that we can draw ellipse and elliptical arc. Okay, see, we will go and see these one by one. Okay, so the first thing is, what is shortcut for ellipse? EL is the shortcut for ellipse. So I'm going to give EL to get ellipse. So EL, enter. So here it asks primary thing, our axis endpoint. So I'm going to click somewhere else and give total span of length. So my ellipse should be within this length, that is axis end. So first point and second point. So my ellipse should be within this limit. So I'm going to give here 100 units length. So by using relative rectangle method. So at 100, 0. So my ellipse has created with this both endpoints. So I have started here and I have given 100 span length. This is the 100 length point. So the ellipse has created by using both endpoints. Next thing is, I'm going to give a distance. So that is nothing but radius, second radius. Okay, so I'm going to give here as a 25 to finish this radius. Yes, this radius created by axis ends. So this end I have given 100 and this second radius I have given here 25. So this is how axis end radius created by using AutoCAD. Okay, in this center method we have to specify the distance from center to another end. Okay, so I'm going to get enter by using EL to shortcut for ellipse. Okay, I'm going to click somewhere else. Before that I have to confirm I'm going to draw center function. So press C to get center. I'm going to click somewhere else. Then I'm going to specify the distance by using relative rectangle method at 50 units, 0. This is one radius. So the next thing is, I'm going to give another radius. So that is another distance also. Okay. So I'm going to give 15 as the distance. So what happened here is, this radius I have specified 50 and this distance which I have defined 15. So the difference is, we specified over span length is here, but here we specified the radius by using center to this distance. So here also the span length 100. Why? Because we have specified this radius only. It took double the time to create this ellipse. Okay, this is the difference between axis end and center ellipse method. Okay, so here we are going to see about elliptical arc. So this elliptical arc we can done with both this method. Okay, so first thing is, we have to specify we are going to draw elliptical arc. So see, EL to get ellipse. So before that there is two methods, center method and axis end method. Before that I'm going to confirm I am going to draw arc. So press A to get arc. So here it asks whether you are going to draw endpoint method or center method. So we are going to see end axis end method. So I'm going to click somewhere else and I'm giving a relative method to 100 distance. So both endpoints should be 100 distance. Then I'm going to give one 15 to this second distance. So see here, the elliptical arc cut by where we are going to pick. So already we are seen in arc. Okay, so arc, whether your start point and center point, we have to remember the thing. If your center point is left side from your start point, in the sense this arc will create top side. The same thing, your center point is right side from the start point, in the sense this arc will create bottom side. See, I'm going to click here, this is left side, the center point is left side from the start point. So I'm going to click over here, this arc will create like this. So okay, if you want to create this arc same bottom side, in the sense I'm going to use create the arc bottom side by using center method. Okay, this is mostly as axis end method. So same that I'm going to click EL to get elliptical arc. I'm going to click somewhere else. Before that I'm going to draw arc, so I have to confirm arc, in the sense then I'm going to draw center method. So press C to get center. So I'm click somewhere else, I'm giving a point at 40,0. okay, this is the length. I'm going to give this distance as 15. okay, so here I'm going to keep as a center point from right side from starting point. Then I'm going to click here, cut it down, this arc will be create bottom side anti-clockwise. Okay, this is how elliptical arc works. Okay, see, our next interesting thing is point. Okay, so sometimes we are using points for a reference. So I will explain those point where use it out. Okay, and then how we can use it out. So I'm just giving an intro about this point type. Okay, see, PO is the shortcut for point. See here and see here also. Okay, see, point is especially we are using reference of some while we are drawing, in the sense. Okay, so just I'm giving here about intro. So PO is the shortcut for point. So here we can click anywhere for a reference. So see here I'm giving many points. Okay, so for example we cannot able to see the points. Okay, so sometimes if you zoom it, or if you are in any, I'm giving an example for if you are in line command, in the sense you can easily know that by using object snap points. So that's why we can see that. Okay, so in the sense if you want to see the point types, so just type it as P type. So already you have given some points, but you cannot able to see that. Why? Because this point visible type is defaultly presetted, right? So just P type the command in the command bar. So you will get this window like this. So this is nothing but point type styles. So if you're going to choose some point types, like which is your preferable. Okay, so choose here, like I'm going to choose like cross or plus. I'm going to choose plus, it should be useful like this. So there is point size is default 5%. if you want, whether you want to increase in this, you have to increase it. So that's why next I'm going to click it. See what happens, your point wherever you have clicked as a reference, you can easily identify it. Okay, it mostly helpful if you sometimes you are drawing in basically you are doing industrial drawing, in the sense this particular reference point type will be mostly useful to create reference or lines. Okay, I hope you guys you like this video. So don't forget to share, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, see you next class. Bye.